guys, well, I'm from ReveMoto. Thank you again for watching. Today we're going to be doing an install and removal, removal and then installation of a 2016 Acura TLX passenger side tail light. And it also works on the driver's side. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification. And also, if you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car or this tail light, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. Let's go ahead and get started. And if you guys look right there, there's this cover right here, and there's like a little slit that you can use a flathead screwdriver to go in there. So there's going to be two of them, 1 and 2. Oh. All right, so right here, it's like a 8mm, but you can use a screwdriver, just like that one right there. Take that off. And what's holding it in place is like these little prongs right here, and it goes in here, and it's pretty tough to kind of just yank it out. So you kind of wiggle it, and then it'll loosen up. Then after that, let's go ahead and unplug the wires. That, and now you can go ahead and replace this tail light. So this tail light right here, if you guys need it, the link's down below. It's gonna be something that we sell on our website at ReveMoto.com. Alright, so to put it back in place, so this one has like a lot of water damage in it, but the customer didn't want to replace it. I'm just showing you guys how to install and remove it. But basically, if you had something like this and you had water damage, go ahead and replace it. So this one right here, just go ahead and plug it back in. And wrap that cord right back in there. Then line up the prongs with the hole. And you should hear it click in place, and it should be ready to bolt up. Alright guys, that's how you install, that's how you remove and install a passenger side tail light for a 2016 Acura TLX. If you guys need this tail light for your vehicle, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. The link is up above and down below for this tail light. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, I do want to thank you again for watching our great videos. If you guys need any parts for your vehicle, the ones that you guys see in our videos, or anything else, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. We sell bumpers, tail lights, headlights, touch-up bottles, everything that you need for your vehicle. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted and accessories parts store. Also, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your push notification for more great videos like this one. Thank you.